Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review and initial try on of the Gildan men's t-shirts or undershirts. This is a set of undershirts or t-shirts that you can currently get on Amazon for a pack of 12 for $33. This is going to be 12 white shirts. They also have different color options. So they've got all black, all navy. They have a mixed pack where it can be like black, gray, navy. They have a military color, they have a navy color, and like a red color. So plenty of color options. I ended up going with the white because I always wear white undershirts just because it's more versatile and it's easier to clean. However, I recently moved and decided to throw out all my old undershirts and purchase new ones. And so what we'll do is we'll just take this out of the packaging. I'll show you what it looks like in general, and then I will throw it on just to give you a sense of the size and fit as compared to kind of what they recommended on the website. But this is what it looks like. Says Gildan here, has the labeling. There's no tag there. Sorry, it's not on camera. No tag there, which is really nice because then you don't have to rip off a tag or kind of have it annoy you. As far as the material, it's a soft, like cottony material. Nothing too special there. It's not any synthetic. And the construction is, it's 100% cotton there. And so the nice part about these is like you can just basically wear them, wash them. I always put my whites with like a little bit of bleach, and usually it keeps it really clean. And then the nice part is that at a pack of 12 for $33, you're looking at like what, maybe I don't know, like $2 or $3 a shirt, less than that, like $2.75 or something like that. So the nice part is if you get stains or grossness or anything, you can just throw this out and replace it. But overall, I'm pretty impressed with these. I've used a bunch of other undershirts over time, and these are very comparable, and at this price point and the size, like number that come in the pack, it's definitely worth it. So let me try it on and give you a sense of the look. Okay, so this is what it looks like. As far as fit, I usually wear a large, sometimes a medium depending on the size. A lot of times for undershirts that I've gotten in the past, when I buy a large and wash it, it tends to shrink down a little bit. So I usually go a little bit size up. It really depends on the fit, but overall the arms and the shoulders fit almost perfectly, so no issues there. I will say that the length is a little bit long, and so ideally I would want it a little bit shorter because I do tend to tuck in my shirts whenever I'm wearing like dress clothes or anything like that. So the fact that this has like that extra seam on the bottom may or may not be a problem depending on what you're wearing. Additionally, the other thing is if you're wearing like this underneath a button down, depending on the length of the button down, if this shirt's extending out where I don't usually tuck, where I wear like a casual button down, this might hang out, which doesn't look good either. So you might have to tuck it in.